so if you can stay planted right where you are, I don't want you to go out of frame or something.
All right.
Test. All right, we are on good. First question is the hard one. First and last name.
My name is Ron Powell, Powell. I'm the spokesman for the Port of San Diego.
All right. You got some folks out here right now. What's going on?
Well, as I understand it, one of the concerns is that there was an oval park plan for this intersection that we're looking at right here, and it was a concept plan. It was in our plan for the North Embarcadero Visionary Plan back in the 1990s, and it included this whole area here. It would be a big oval area, a big oval park, extending out over the water here. And as a concept, we thought it was a good idea. But in later years, as we continued to do work toward actually executing a plan, it was decided that it wasn't workable for several different reasons, and it got dropped from the plan. Now, unfortunately, what the Port did, and they made an error in doing this, they didn't actually drop it in a formal way from the plan, and it's still in there. But for planning purposes, it was dropped years ago, and so people are upset about it.
And you were telling me, I did, let me make sure it's in frame still. You're saying, the Port takes care of a lot of different parks around here, so tell me a little bit about that.
Absolutely. We have 17 parks on San Diego Bay and in Imperial Beach that we maintain every day of the year for the public benefit. And people can come and recreate there and enjoy themselves, and we really believe that there should be open parks and there should be open space for the public to enjoy, and the Port has tried to provide that, and we're still looking to do so.
And like you said, it was on the agenda, and then it was dropped, and it just wasn't actually dropped from the list. Is there any way that anyone can appeal this, or is that kind of the final thing?
Well, it's being right now appealed to the California Coastal Commission, and the Port is working with the Coastal Commission staff right now to try to see if we can work through the problem. One of the major problems with that oval park is that part of it included the Navy property there, which the Port doesn't own, nor does the city own. And so you see that building is still standing there. So it would be impossible to build that park with that building there. There are also issues of shading, because the park was supposed to go over the water, and that causes environmental problems for fish that spawn underneath there. So that was something that wasn't anticipated at the time that they looked at it as a concept. But again, as they went forward, these things came before us, and we decided that it wasn't a workable project.
So, as it stands, I guess what's the next step? Is there a next step?
Well, the next step is to see what happens at Coastal Commission. There's going to be a hearing set on the North Embarcadero Visionary Plan, at least the first phase of it, which this included. And that hearing date hasn't been set yet, and we'll continue to work with Coastal Commission staff to see if we can work through the issues and present our case at the hearing, and we'll abide by whatever the ruling is.
Perfect. Anything else you want to add, maybe we didn't talk about, or you think is important for people to know?
No, just that we understand why people are upset about this, and we all want to see more open space. It's a very good thing for all of us. We want to do that for the people of San Diego and the people of California as a port district. But sometimes plans that you have as a concept don't end up working out, and they end up getting dropped, and that was what happened in this case.
Perfect. All right, great job.